Toyota is increasingly aggressively filling its electrification line by introducing many hybrid cars. Using a previously existing Model Plus hybrid technology, it is hoped that it will be more familiar to potential interested consumers. Not long ago, the Toyota Hilux MHEV mild hybrid electric vehicle was officially introduced to the European market. This model will later be assembled in Thailand. Using a 2.8-liter diesel engine, there is the addition of 48 volts mild hybrid technology with an electric drive motor and other components. Toyota claims the addition will not reduce the Hilux's off-road and towing capabilities. A similar engine configuration is predicted to be used on the Toyota Fortuner hybrid. Various things are offered, namely fuel efficiency and performance. Mild hybrid technology is also claimed to increase the car's off-road capabilities. Then acceleration and smoother can be felt, especially when the car is driven on extreme terrain. After the Hilux, the Toyota Fortuner hybrid is reportedly the next model to use additional mild hybrid technology. In May 2023, a senior executive at Toyota South Africa confirmed that the hybrid versions of the Fortuner and Hilux would indeed launch in 2024. In terms of dimensions, it is almost certain that there will be no significant changes. Just like other Toyota hybrid models, it has the same size and design as the conventional engine version. So the only difference is that the T emblem on the electrification line is given a blue accent. Then add the hybrid badge on the car's trunk door. For the Indonesian market, the Toyota Fortuner is offered in 3 diesel engine variants. It is not impossible for Toyota to present a hybrid version if consumer interest is good and the price is in line with the market. Having a lighter weight than THS2 Toyota Hybrid System 2, this technology is also easier because it can be installed directly into an existing engine. Compared to conventional engines, the presence of an electric generator provides greater torque for the vehicle. Another advantage is that the machine can be started without sound and the vibrations are very small. Toyota's mild hybrid system has also been adapted to a new structure so that the car can safely drive through puddles. Until the car is submerged 700 mm, it is said that the mild hybrid components will not be disturbed.